Yo, peace, love, blessings, and abundance to everyone that's out there. Well, it's a rainy day to get out here and do some burpees. Why it's a rainy day? Because it's a great day to baptize in this water. And we're going to go through the pain and suffer so we can get that evil spirit out of us. So, to me, I love it when I do burpees in the rain. No one else wants to do it because they think it's stupid to get outside and work out in the rain. I love it. It's free. That's all it is. It's a great feeling. It's a great feeling of suffering in the rain where it's uncomfortable, where no one else wants to do it. And to be honest with you, I feel like I'm the only one getting outside doing burpees in the rain. But the crazy thing is that, again, I love it. I love this feeling. So we're going to get into doing maybe some 2-pump burpees. And we're going to do this by any means necessary. So let's go. Burpees in the rain, baby. Three, four. I wish the rain a little bit harder. 5. Well, this is good. 6. 7. 8. 9. This is my contract. Get out here every day. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Again, this channel is not about motivation. It's about disciples. That's all it is. Disciples doing whatever they have to do by any means necessary. By any means. Again, this channel is for the real. My shit is real, my shit is raw, my shit is unedited, my shit is unfiltered. My shit has no fluff. None of that bullshit. And it's very authentic. Very. All I want to get is outside doing burpees in the rain. And I love that. It separates me from every other YouTuber out there. It does. Even though it's not raining hard, but I wish it would. Alright, so we're going 3 pumps. We pushing that concrete today, baby. 1. Damn. Rain harder. Rain harder. 3. Come on. I don't want slight rain. 4. 5. 6. 7. Damn. 8. Man, the rain stopped. Shit. Damn. I wanted the rain some more. 8. That's all right. I got a little action. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. All right, Navy SEAL. Navy SEALs, 4 pumps, 5 pumps, 6 pumps, 7 pumps. Yeah. On it for the real. It's still the Black Mold Plus. No matter what. No matter what the conditions are. Still getting out here and train. Alone. Alone. And don't get it twisted. I'm running also and sprinting. All right, Navy SEALs. Got to get those sprints in. Come on, Rain. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let it harder. Come on. There you go. Come on. Give me the power of the rain. I want to be baptized in it. I want to be baptized in the rain. Navy SEALs. Come on. You're pushing that concrete. Two. 3. 4. Come on, Rain. I want you. 5. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, come on. 10. Come on. Come on, Rain. Come on. 11. 12. Come on. 13. Fucking Navy SEALs. 14. It's part of my contract. Can't run away from the contract. 16. 17. 18. Woo! 18. 19. Count this shit out loud. 19. 20. Come on, 5 more. Woo! 5 more. 21. Come on. 22. Come on, Rain. Come on. Harder. 23. Mental fortitude. Resilience. See. This is what this baptism is all about. 24. Spirituality. Last one. Woo! Alright, 4 pump. See, earlier I was thinking about that dog and what it meant for me. So that dog that came upon me enlightened me. So even though I was down, he sensed the goodness in me. I guess he did. So I was happy about that, but I was doubting about some things, but I'm glad that the dog came just to uplift my spirits. So I'm happy about that. Alright, the rain's coming down sort of again. So let's get into some 4 pumps. Let's push that concrete. Alright, 1. Alright, 2. 3. 4. 24. It's getting hot now. 4. 4. 5. 6. And again, it doesn't matter the condition of the weather. You still get out there. Most people would run away from the rain. But there's some of us will still get out there. It doesn't even care about the temperature, about what's going on with the weather. We'll still get out there and grind. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Where are we? 14. Okay. I don't want my phone to get so wet. 14. 14. I'm pushing this concrete, baby. 14. In the rain, where it's uncomfortable. I hope it will rain a little bit harder. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 22. 23. Woo, come on. I love this shit. 1, 2, 3. I love it. Yeah, 24. Woo. 25. All right. So going up to 5 pumps now. We start out with 2, 3, maybe 4 pumps. Let's get 5 pumps in. All right. 5 pumps. People think I'm crazy. And again, that's how you separate yourself. All right, 25, 1 pump. Two. He-Man chest in the ring. 3. 4. 4. Woo! Yeah. All right, 5. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. This is what discipline is. Still got to show up. Even though I was in my mood today. But when it started raining, shit, I got happy. I love it. What's that? 10, I guess. All right, got 15 more. $11. 12. 13. 14. 15. As you know, this is not one of those 30-minute clips on working out in the rain. No, this is the full shit, the full video. $16. This is the full video. I have several videos when I'm working out in the ring. No one else is doing that type of shit. I mean, not that I know of. I may be the only one, but hey. 17. So right now I'm feeling in my traps, my shoulders, my chest. I love it. I hate 5 pumps. That's another exercise I hate. Navy SEAL 5 pumps. All right, what's that, 17 or 18? $19. Almost there, baby. You got 19. $20. Woo! 21. 21. 22. 22. 22. Come on. 23. 23. 24. Last one. 25. So we got 6 pumps and 7 pumps. So we have a total of 50 burpees though. Woo! Baptizing in the rain. Feels good. It feels good. It feels great. Everybody likes to run inside when it's raining. As long as some of us will still get out here, no matter what the weather looks like. I'm gonna constantly repeat myself. No matter what the weather looks like, we still get out here and grind. So there's nothing to protect us. It's just us. Our minds. Our minds telling us to stop. It's raining. We could do this inside the gym, or we could do it when the rain stops. Or let's go do it underneath the tree where we don't get that wet. This is all those type of excuses will come up. But again, no excuses energy. This is what it's all about. The Black Mode Plus. No excuses energy. By any means necessary. Let's go. 6 pumps. All right. 1. 2. 2. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. Woo! 6. 7. 8. 9. Come on. 10. Oh, someone scarred. Man, what the hell that was? 10. All right. 15 more to complete this shit. 11. 11. 12. 13. Make sure my shit's not getting wet. 13. 13. Almost to the finish line. 14. 14. 15. 15. 10 more. 16. 17. Woo! 17. 18. 18. 19. 'My battery's about to go out. 19. 20. 20. Five more. 5 more. One. Ooh. Right. 22. Three. Four. All right. 25 summer pumps. Did you hear me? 25 summer pumps. And that's it. We baptized ourselves in the rain of suffering when it was discomfort. That's what the Black Monk Mode Plus is all about. Not that little easy shit. No. We're not only just monks. We're disciples. That's exactly what we are, disciples. So we just not practicing the normal monk mode. No, we doing more than that. And it's just not by exercising, but we want to strengthen our minds. That's the main thing. Too much shit going on where we don't have the mental strength to keep going. We may have the physical, but we don't have the mental. That's the problem. That's the problem. We don't have mental strength. We can have all the physical strength, you know, we can run fast and do all this shit, man. But when some real shit gets down, most of us don't have the mental strength because we're weak. We're very weak. We really don't want to be this monk mode that we're doing all this work, but our minds are still weak. Doesn't make any sense. Straighten your mind up. Do some fucking burpees. Get out here and do that shit. When it's uncomfortable. When it's hot. When it's cold. I want to see you do that. Three. Four. So right now, I'm tired, but I know I have to complete this mission. We train in silence. 5. So it's not about all the views and all that other bullshit. You just want to be a regular dude behind the camera that's grinding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 6 or 7. pushing that concrete. Woo. We're pushing that concrete. 8. Come on. Woo. 10. 10. I got 10. That's crazy, man. It's raining. It's about to get cool again. I guess it's probably gonna get cold once again because it's sort of chilly out here, to be honest with you. And again, that's when you need to get uncomfortable. Doesn't matter the condition of the weather, once again. So I know it's going to be cold tomorrow. I don't know why, but pretty sure it will. Alright, what was I? 10, right? Feeling the pump in the shoulder. 11. 12. 13. 13. 14. Oh shit, I lost it. I'm not gonna lie. I think I lost count. I'll call that 14. Woo! Yeah. 14. Come on. Oh shit. 15. 10 left. Got 10 left. 10 left. It's uncomfortable. That's okay though. With a strong mind like this, doing shit when no one else wants to do it. When you got a goal in mind, you can do whatever it takes. Shit. 17. Ah, 18. 18. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. What's that? 18? 18. I'm sore, but I'm loving it. $19. Woo! 19. In the rain, baby. I love this shit. I love it. Shit. Woo! 5 left. Got 5 left. Come on. 5 left. 5 left. Yes. I know I'm sore, but you gotta finish the mission. This is part of my contract. Burpees every day. I mean, every day. I don't care about my feelings. I'm doing this shit every day. All right, 21. 4 more. Woo! 22. 22. 22. Ah! 23. 2 more, baby. 2 more. Ah! 1 more. One more. Get the fuck out of here. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Love this shit. So there we have it. Rainy burpee, another rainy burpee section. Didn't want to get out here and do it, but I'm glad I did. So it's a rainy section. To be honest with you, I think I'm the only one that gets out here in the rain and do burpees. There's no 30-second clips, none of that bullshit. But I'm glad that I do have the privilege to get out here by any means necessary. I don't care what's going on in my life. I'm trying my best to get my burpees in. Even if I can't move my whole entire body, I do them up in here. So, again, this is a Black Monk Mode Plus. I'm doing this shit for 60 days, and guess what? I mean, maybe go even more than that. Who knows? But for right now, the minimum right now is 60 days. So this is going on what? Day 53? Day 53? Hey, it doesn't stop. Day 53, day 54, I don't know which one it is. It's either one of those two, but shit, I'm just going. I feel good, I feel great. And again, my disclaimer, as I said before, my shit is real, my shit is raw, my shit is unedited, my shit is unfiltered, my shit is authentic. And there's no fluff on my channel. So if you're looking for motivation, this is not the channel. This is not the channel. This is for the disciplined monks that's out there. So it's a Black Monk Mode Plus. And I'm doing this shit by any means necessary. So get out there, train by any fucking means necessary. Peace out.